students, welcome to another episode of our SS class. So in the last class we learned about means of communication. Yes, we learned about postal system, telephone, fax, internet. Today we are going to learn about email. About email. About what? Email. Email means electronic mail. Email means electronic mail. Email means electronic mail. Email means electronic mail. Emails have replaced the old methods of writing letters. Writing letters in a paper, then we post that letters in a post office. Then that letters sent to take so many days to send to the person. Okay, so we use instead of letters we use email, that means electronic mail. Electronic mail. An email message can be sent to any corner of the world within a few seconds using an internet connection and a computer, laptop or a smartphone. Okay, so all of you understood about email. Once again, email is also a means of communication. What is means of communication? Yes, the various methods of sending and receiving messages are known as means of communications. Like nowadays we use emails instead of writing letters. So olden days we use writing letters to others to communicate. So instead of that we use emails. Email means electronic mail. So the electronic mails we use to send messages to any corner of the world by within a few hours, within a few seconds, using internet connections and also with the help of a computer or a laptop or a smartphone. Okay, we can send the mail from a laptop or a computer to another computer or a smartphone. That mail is called email. Email means electronic mail. Sending mails through a laptop or a computer or a smartphone with an internet connection. Okay, next one, we know some personal means of communications are there. Which are the personal means of communication? Letters, telephones, emails are all personal means of communications. Emails, letters and telephones are personal means of communication. These are personal means of communication. Personal means of communication. Personal means of communication. Which are the personal means of communication? Yes, email, letters, telephone. The emails we can send personally, letters we can send personally. The telephones we can make calls to telephones personally. So these all are considered as personal means of communication. Personal means of communication. Which are the personal means of communication? Letters, telephone, emails are personal means of communication. What are emails? Emails are electronic mails. We can send messages to any corner of the world within a few seconds with the help of an internet connection, a computer or a laptop or a smartphone. Okay, next one, mass media. Next one, mass media. Next one, mass media. Okay, mass media includes all sorts of information that provide us with information about the day-to-day happenings. About the day-to-day happenings. Mass media means the information provide us about the day-to-day happenings. About the day-to-day happenings like newspapers, through like newspapers, magazines, radio, and television. A large number of people can be addressed at the same time using mass media. That is the importance of mass media. You know, a large number of people can be addressed at the same time using mass media. A large number of people can be addressed. A large number of people can be addressed at the same time using mass media. At the same time using mass media. It is the importance of mass media. A large number of people can be addressed at the same time using mass media. Okay, then the mass media includes newspapers, magazines, televisions, radios that give information about the day-to-day happenings. About the day-to-day happenings. Okay, first one, newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines. Okay, newspapers and magazines. News in the printed form is given to the masses through newspapers and magazines. News in the printed form. Printed form is given to the masses through newspapers and magazines. The newspapers and magazines may be printed in many languages. Newspapers and magazines may be printed many languages. People who collect and distribute news are known as journalists. Who are journalists? The people who collect and distribute news. The people who collect and distribute news. People who collect and distribute news are journalists. Okay, who are journalists? The people who collect and distribute news are journalists. News are known as journalists. Okay, once again about newspapers and magazines. The written form or the printed form of news are given to the mass through newspapers and magazines. That newspapers and magazines can be printed in many languages, and also the news collected by the people who collect and distribute the news are known as journalists. Next one, radio and television. Next one, radio and television. Next one, radio and television. Okay, we know radio and television is also what's a mass media. So All India Radio is the national public radio broadcaster of India. All India Radio is the national public broadcaster of India. Many private radio stations are now available. Then radio gives us the latest news on various topics. Then it also acts as a medium of entertainment. Radio gives all information about various topics, and also it acts as an entertainment. It acts as an entertainment. Then television, that is TV, television. What is the advantage over television, over radio and television? That means we know the radio gives the audio of all messages produced by our authorities or our government. So, but the television gives the visual idea, visualization of all messages, all the programs, all the entertainments to the public, and also we can hear all the informations, all the programs, all the entertainment held in our government, held by our government, and the public can be seen and hear from anywhere in the world through television and radio. Okay, next one. There are hundreds of TV channels that broadcast a wide variety of content to entertain and educate people. Some educational channels are also available in our TV channels. Then some entertainment channels, then movies, then live channels are also there, sport channels, educational channels like theaters, etc. where they are religious channels, etc. also included in the TV. So we know a wide variety of channels are broadcast through televisions. Okay, today hundreds of satellite channels are available for news and entertainment. Nowadays, hundreds of satellite channels are also available for news and entertainment. Okay, students. So these are mass media. These are mass media. Okay, once again about mass media, we know that mass media includes all sorts of information that provide us with information about the day-to-day happenings, through newspapers like newspapers, magazines, radio, television, etc. Okay, a large number of people can be addressed at the same time. Can be addressed at the same time using mass media. Then we can give informations to the public through newspapers, to a mass public through newspapers, televisions, radio, magazines, etc. Through newspapers and magazines, the news in the printed form given to the mass through newspapers and magazines. These newspapers and magazines may be printed in many languages like Tamil, Malayalam, English, Kannada, Urdu, Sindhi, etc. Hindi, etc. Gujarati, etc. like that. So, and also the people who are journalists. Journalists means the people who collect and distribute news are known as journalists. We know in the for the newspapers, news collecting centers in TV channels and in newspapers, there are so many journalists are there that journalists collect and distribute news up to date. Then that news are printed and it is distributed to the public through magazines and newspapers. Okay, next one. We know that the hundreds of TV channels broadcast a wide variety of content to entertain and to educate people. And also Doordarshan is the official TV channel of India. Which is the official TV channel of India? Which is the official TV channel of India? Which is the official TV channel of India? Yes, Doordarshan. Doordarshan is the official TV channel of India. Doordarshan is the official TV channel of India. Which is the official TV channel of India? Doordarshan. Doordarshan is the official TV channel of India. Okay. Then today hundreds of satellite channels are also available for news and entertainment. Okay children, our lesson is over. So once again we will revise this. Lesson. So means of communication. We know what is means of communication. The various methods of sending and receiving messages are known as means of communication. Okay. So if we imagine if our friend shifted to other country, in which way we communicate with him? Yes, we use different means of communications like a telephone, internet, then through fax, then through postal system we can communicate. Then we know, first of all, we learn about the different means of communication, that is postal system. Then India has the largest postal system in the world, India Post. India has the largest postal system in the world. That is India Post. So it was the most popular and also it was the economic method of communication. Then we can send messages. And we can send messages to our relatives, friends through postal system. We use inland letters, postcard, stamped envelopes. If our friends or if our relatives are in foreign countries, we can send messages to foreign countries through aerograms. Okay. Next one. Many years ago, how our ancient people communicate with each other? They communicate or they send messages with the help of a trained pigeon. They tie the knots to their feet, then send that trained pigeons to the destination place. Next one, the messengers also carry the messages over long distances on foot or horseback. Okay. Next we learn about telephone. We know that telephone, which is the fastest means of communication. Yes, we know that is telephone. Why it is considered as the fastest means of communication? Because if we can speak to anyone sitting hundreds of miles away from us by dialing a number in a telephone. Okay, then few years ago we can make calls like ISD and STD. If we use ISD for communicate with the two persons, if that two persons are in two states within our country, they use STD calls. Then if the persons communicate with each other, one person is outside our country or abroad or in foreign country, we use ISD calls to communicate with each other. Okay, next one. Then nowadays we know that the wired telephones are changed into wireless phones or like mobile phones. Then that mobile phones, that means the smartphones. We use smartphones for many purposes like make calls, take videos, send emails, share videos, etc. And also it is very easy to talk anybody in the country or and if the person is abroad through our mobile phones. Next we learn about fax. Fax is a means of communication. It's a fax machine is also known as facsimile machine. A fax machine is also known as facsimile machine. A fax machine is also known as a facsimile machine. Okay. What is the use of a fax machine? It is used to send documents which contains written messages and pictures through telephone lines. Okay. Next we learn about internet. We know that internet has taken the world by storm. It is the largest means of communication. We can send the messages and we can make video calls. We can share pictures and videos through internet. Then in ancient periods, we use which basic means of communication is language. Language contains or consists both oral and written. Written language we use to communicate. That is, language is the most basic means of communication we used in the earlier period. Then today we know that there are about 6,500 languages spoken in the world. 6,500 languages. 6,500 languages were spoken in the world. So if you in the earlier period we use language is the most basic means of communication. After that we use the trained region, then we use messenger. After that we use postal system. Again then we use telephone. After that fax. Then nowadays we use internet. Okay. Next we learn about email. Next means of communication, that is email. We know email means electronic mail. Okay. The email replies to the old methods of writing letters. Email replies to the old method of writing letters. We can send messages, pictures, videos, etc. Through emails with an internet connection and a computer, laptop or a smartphone. Okay, which are the different personal means of communication? The personal means of communications are letters, telephone and emails are the personal means of communication we use. Next we learn about mass media. Mass media includes all sources of information that provide us with the information about the day-to-day happening. Through newspapers, magazines, television and radio. Then about televisions and newspapers and magazines. So we know news in the printed form is given to the mass through newspapers and magazines. These newspapers and magazines can be printed in many languages, and the people who collect and distribute news are called journalists. The people who collect and distribute news are called journalists. Next mass media we learn, that is radio and television. Which is the first official TV channel of India? Doordarshan was the first official TV channel of India. Okay. Next we learn about radio. We know radio is introduced by our government authority to convey the messages produced by the government to the public about the meetings, new meetings, then programs, entertainments, then what about news, etc. via communicate through radio to the public. And also we know nowadays so many private radio stations are now available. Then radio gives us the latest news, entertainment, then about entertainment, educational programs, etc. Then the difference between a radio and television is the radio give only the radio only give the audio messages of entertainment, educational programs, public meetings, etc. But the TV, television provide the visualization of all messages of entertainment, education, and all and about the news. Okay, so our lesson is over. Next we move on to our exercise portion. If you listen, choose the correct answer. First one, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First question. Where do we buy stamps and postcards from? Where do we buy stamps and postcards from? Yes, post office. Where? Post office. Second question. Which of these is the fastest means of communication? Telephone, postcard, aerogram, radio. Telephone. Second one. Then, third one. Which of these can be used to surf the internet? Which of these can be used to surf the internet? Magazine, laptop, radio, TV. Yes, laptop. Is the correct answer? Laptop. Fourth one. Which of these is a means of mass communication? Means of mass communication. Which are the mass communications? Newspaper, magazine, and radio and television. So which of these is a means of mass communication? Fax, telephone, then newspaper, postcard. Which is the correct answer? Yes, newspaper. Fifth one. Which of these is a means of personal communication? Email, radio, magazine, newspaper. Yes, email is the correct answer. Email, electronic mail. Okay, next one. Fill up. First question. The telephone was invented by whom? Yes, Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. So second question. Dash is used to send letters to foreign countries. Aerogram. Aerogram is used to send letters to foreign countries. Aerogram. Okay. Third question. Dash is a means of mass communication. Dash is a means of mass communication. Radio. Radio is a means of mass communication. Fourth one. To send dash, you must have an internet connection. To send email, we must have an internet connection. Is the correct answer? Email. Fifth one. Fax is short form of dash machine. Which machine? Facsimile machine. Okay, next one, match the correct answer. Next one, match the correct answer. one, newspaper. First one, match the correct answer. First one, newspaper. First one, newspaper. Newspaper is the mass media. Newspaper, mass media. Second one, email, internet. Third one, telephone. Telephone, fastest means of communication. Fastest means of communication. Fourth one, Doordarshan, TV broadcaster. TV broadcaster. Next one, postcards, post office. Postcards we get from post office. Next one, journalist, people who collect and distribute news. Sixth one, journalist, the people who collect and distribute news. Next, answer the following question. What is the use of mass media? What is the use of mass media? We get the day-to-day happenings through mass media. Name a few means of mass media. Newspaper, magazines, radio and television. How do post offices help us to communicate? The post offices help us to communicate through postcards, inland letters, through stamped envelopes and through aerograms. Which is the fastest means of communication? Which is the fastest means of communication? Internet. Then why it is called as the fastest means of communication? Because we can send messages, all messages within a few hours, within a few seconds or hours. What are the advantages of using the internet? We can send messages within a few hours to long distances. Then next, what are the uses of radio? We can hear all the messages published by the authority of the government about the entertainment, educational programs and the public meetings. Okay children, our lesson is over. So all of you read your textbook, then write your notes properly in your notebook. Okay, thank you.